Hello, viewers, and welcome to the workshop on scientific writing by Surti Short in association with Brain Aura. I am Shabya Manhas, Digital Event Manager from certishort.com. This workshop will be held from 6th of December to 11th of December 2021 from 6 to 8 pm each day. We understand, as viewers, you may need more information regarding the workshop. So, based on audience requests, we have asked our speakers to answer some of the frequently asked questions. So, here we go. We have with us Dr. Divya Tyagarajan, a PhD graduate in experimental immunology, specialized in human autoimmunity and chronic inflammatory disorders. She'll be taking the session on journal writing. So, Dr. Divya, our viewers would love to know what insights will the students gain from this workshop?
So they will learn to identify some gaps in their research and how to do their literature review and outline and structure the paper that they have to submit into the journal, and also what type of journal or they should choose, what journal is the right fit for their manuscript to be submitted. So these insights they would get at the end of the day by taking this workshop with me.
Okay, thank you for answering this question. So our next question is, do you have any experience in working with journals?
For a brief period, I worked with Elsevier as a journal editorial officer. So I was kind of managing the workflow when the manuscript is submitted until the decision is reached to the author, and at the same time I was communicating about the manuscript with the editor-in-chief itself. Okay. So it was like a two-way connection that I was making. So not only about the journal writing, I can give some insights, my personal inputs, but also in terms of what's happening in the journal. Also, I have worked for quite some time. So I think with my personal experience in working with the journal, I can try to give some insights about that part also to the students. So I think in both ways they can learn something in that workshop from me.
Okay, that's great to know. So I think our viewers have got clarity about what will they be learning in the workshop. And thank you for being with us, Dr. Divya Tyagarajan.
Thank you very much for this wonderful time that you've given me.
Thank you. So right now I'm with Dr. Jyotirmayi H, a biotechnologist with 15 years of research experience and 6 years of teaching experience. She is working as an assistant professor in the School of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics, D.Y. Patil, deemed to be University, Navi, Mumbai. So she'll be taking the session on academic writing. So let's start my question with Dr. Jyotirmayi. So what is the importance of academic writing in the process of research methodology?
When we talk about a research methodology, it's always important to compile the entire research into form of a thesis or a paper, research paper, article, publication, whatever. It has to be a written document. So I think that every academic paper or a thesis is a kind of communication tool that allows the students to convey the acquired knowledge in a certain discipline, right? And that is the reason I feel that the academic writing and in research, it always features a serious tone and present the particular theories and facts that is going to support that argument. So you need to have as one of the important things in the research methodology.
Right. Okay, thank you so much. So my next question is, what are the various skills and advantages associated with the academic writing session of this workshop?
What I feel about the skills, that the participants of this workshop are going to acquire are basically some of the enhancement of the research skills. They would be able to frame the research questions. They would be able to crucially scrutinize their own research, because they would be writing, they would be going for a discussion, they would be justifying their own data. There would be a lot of improvement in the written communication, and there would be an improvement in the style of formal writing. Language skills, there would be a better understanding understanding of the object, there would be critical evaluation, and I guess there would be a lot of analytical thinking, which the participants are going to gain through understanding the process of academic writing through our workshop.
Right. So thank you so much for answering the questions. I hope our viewers must have got the clarity more about this workshop. So thank you so much. So right now we have Ms. Sara Shikleri, a PhD student in biomedical engineering at the University of Arizona and executive consultant at the Brain Aura. She will be taking the session on scientific editing. So Ms. Sara, my first question to you is, what skills will students obtain through this workshop?
Well, during this workshop, students will gain scientific editing-based skills. They will be computer various types of scientific editings, their differences as well as their applications, and in general, they will learn how to elegantly edit their own scientific texts and articles.
Okay, thank you for answering. So my second question to you is, how can this workshop will help the students with their career?
Well, actually, by gaining the related skills pertinent to scientific editing and improving and practicing them, finally in the future, students can seek for editing-based positions, freelance positions. Also, they can be editor of books or a scientific journal and so on. So this could actually help them with their future career as well.
So thank you so much for answering the questions, Ms. Sara, and thank you for being with us. So I hope our viewers must have got the clarity about the same and they have just made their mind for joining the workshop. Thank you for answering.
Thank you so much. And thanks for setting this meeting.
Thank you. The sessions will be held from 6th of December to 10th of December. And on 11th of December, it will be an exam day. Students who will clear the exam will get the certificates for the workshop. And first 3 winners will get the cash prize along with the freelancing scientific writing position at Brain Aura. So what are you waiting for? Just grab this golden opportunity of learning and register yourself fast by clicking on the link given below. Thank you.